Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Dextrose Technologies Pvt Ltd. In this video, we are going to discuss about a laboratory device, that is centrifuge machine. A centrifuge machine is a laboratory device that spins sample at a higher speed to separate components based on their density. It uses centrifugal force to separate components of a liquid or a suspension. So when the machine spins, it creates a centrifugal force due to which the heavier or the denser particles settles at the bottom of the tube, that is called as a pellet, and the lighter particles are on the top, that is called as a supernatant. So this is how the centrifugation machine looks. It consists of a speed adjustment knob for adjusting the RPM and a set timer button to set the timing for the duration of the centrifugation process. And this is the main button from which we can start the machine. It will display 0 because we have not given any command. So this is how you need to open the centrifugation machine. It will consist of a rotor and it will consist of a sample collector tube. In this tube, we need to keep our sample tube which needs to be centrifuged. Okay? Depending on the size of the sample, the rotor size will also change. So this is a sample tube which we are using for centrifugation. So the separation, if it occurs, it will form a pellet at the down part, and at the top we will find supernatant. And this is the balance tube which I am using today, which is of distilled water. So now we'll keep the sample inside the centrifugation machine in the opposite directions. Then we have to give a command. So we will run this cycle for 5 minutes. So we will press this button, set the time, 5 minutes, and then we have to start up the RP. So as you can see, it is increasing. So it will run for 5 minutes and then we will get a sound which indicates that the centrifugation machine is and the process is done. Key points which you should consider during the centrifugation process is: always balance the sample tubes. Uneven sampling can cause damage to the centrifugation machine. Make sure that you are using a proper rotor size and the sample tube depending on the sample size. And always give the command and the timing duration according to the relevant settings of the centrifugation machine. So now we will check out what's the result. So make sure that you bring back the speed adjustment knob to its normal position again. Open up the centrifugation machine. So after centrifugation process, you can see the denser particles are settled at the bottom, that is called as a pellet, and the lighter particles are at the top, that is called as a supernatant. So for more such videos, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Dextrose Technologies Pvt Ltd. Thank you.